Your car idles like it's trying to dance. But not in a good way. That shaky engine, rough starts, or random stalls could be your car's way of crying for help. Through a tiny part most drivers never think about. The idle air control valve. Hey there, DIY drivers. Welcome back to Auto Repair, where smart drivers like you take control of your car's health and keep more money in your pocket. Today, we're talking about a small part with a big impact, the idle air control valve, or IAC valve. It's one of those components that, when it goes bad, your engine won't keep quiet about it. And no, your car isn't possessed. That weird idle? There's a reason. First, what does the IAC valve do? When your foot's off the gas, the IAC valve steps in. It controls how much air gets past the throttle, so your engine can maintain a smooth, steady idle, even when you're not pressing the pedal. It's like your car's autopilot for idling. It works with the engine control module and is usually mounted near the throttle body. But when it fails, things get ugly. Here's how to know if your IAC valve might be the problem. 1. Irregular idle. RPMs jumping up and down like a yo-yo? That's classic IAC trouble. 2. Stalling at stops. You slow down or stop, and the engine just dies, especially when cold. That's a red flag. Triangular flag. 3. Rough idle. Feeling vibrations or hearing weird noises while idling. That's your engine struggling to stay alive. 4. Hard starting. Takes forever to start or runs rough after ignition. Your engine's not getting the air it needs. 5. Unusual RPMs. Idle RPMs too high or way too low. Either way, it's not normal and your IAC could be clogged or stuck. So how do you fix it? Clean it? Replace it? In our next video, we'll show you exactly how to diagnose and deal with a faulty IAC valve step by step. If you found this helpful and want to take charge of your car's health without draining your bank account, make sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell. More money-saving, confidence-boosting tips are on the way right here on Auto Repair. Because when you understand your car, you control the road.